As you're coding, you're going to occasionally want to take snapshots of your progress so that you can look at different revisions of your work. Also, you want to back up your code at certain points so if your laptop is lost or broken, that your work isn't lost. And when you start to work on your project with a lot of different collaborators, it can get kind of messy as you're making changes and they're making changes potentially in the same files. So for these three reasons, developer invented source control. There's a lot of different source control types. People use CVS, Subversion, Git, Mercurial, but the most popular these days is Git. If you use Git, there are a variety of hosting options, and GitHub is one of the most popular. Once you create your Xcode project, it's actually already configured with a Git repository that you can push to any number of Git providers like GitHub. I'm going to show you how to take this repository from its initial creation to actually get it onto GitHub. Go to Xcode Preferences and add your GitHub ID. So hit this plus button, and then this will pull up this option, select GitHub, and then enter your credentials. Once you do this, then Xcode is ready to integrate with your GitHub account. So for this icon right here is your source control icon. So go ahead and click on this and then expand this out, and then we're going to focus on remotes. So remote is the word that is used for which cloud provider your Git repository is attached to. I'm going to right click on this and say create demo app remote. Now, if you add existing remote, you can attach to a repository that you've already created, but this is a little bit easier for us right now just to create one from scratch. And you can see it's already associated with GitHub. I'm going to keep it public so that the graders in the class can see your repository. And then this app is going to be called demo app, and I'll hit create. Once I do this, it's going to take the initial commit that it created and push this to GitHub. A commit is the word that Git uses for a snapshot of your progress. So at any given point, you're going to be adding commits, which are more additions and changes. So I'm going to go to GitHub and to my list of repositories here, and you see that my latest one is Flixster. I'm going to hit refresh here. Now that I've added my project, the new project demo app will appear, and if I click on this, then I should see all of the files within my initial commit. So this was the first stage, which was associating your GitHub repository with this local project. And in the future videos, I'll show you how to keep it synchronized as you make changes.